So this is 300 or 400 yards from a major intersection, and we're not going to call that a downtown area? If we could walk 3 buildings to get to Franklin and Center, that's not a downtown area? He may not be the best guy in the world, but he is here bringing a best project to nothing. Look at the design of this project. This is an expensive quality project to design. He didn't come with a box. He's not doing this with tape and glue. This is going to be a project that will last for decades and decades, and 30 years from now, this building will look the same way that it does today because of the way it's being built. Now, planning. Mr. Baumann gave specific testimony as to this location, as did Mr. Rickey. As professionals, they didn't philosophize. They didn't talk about the big picture. They talked about a specific piece of property, because we are not in front of the planning board. We are in front of the Board of Adjustment, where you take a specific project and apply the law to this project and see whether or not it works. Here's another good test. We've had some people from the community get up and express some concerns, not about Mr. Oliver. Everyone said how great he is. I don't care how great he is. I care whether the project is great. But did any neighbors come up? Did Charlie the Taylor come up? Did the neighbor to the west come up? We had some neighbors in the back come up, and they're here tonight, and they're friends of ours, because they're looking for a little more privacy. And we said, if we're fortunate enough tonight to succeed, we'll come back and we'll ask for that extra foot on the wall. Aren't neighbors the best indicators of what a good project is? If I were Charlie the Taylor and I thought that this project was going to negatively impact on my property, I think I'd be here speaking up. I think if I were the neighbor on the other side and I thought that this was going to negatively impact on my lifestyle, I think I'd be here. You'd be here. We've heard some general comments as to what we believe the future of Nutley is, and we can disagree. And we can have those discussions at commission meetings, and we can have those discussions at the planning board when we're talking about the big picture. But those issues are not relevant to what we're doing this evening. We were asked whether or not we'd like to come with another project. Would we like to downsize this project? Would we like to move the project? My client said, this is my project. I'm bringing you a specific project. And you were mandated under the land use statute to look at this project and make a determination. I didn't hear my planning expert say that this project could not be granted within the framework of sound planning principles. He gave an opinion that this project can be approved within sound planning principles, and that it would not negatively impact on the zone plan or the master plan. That's the state of the testimony that we have. We have an engineer that said there are no engineering issues. And if the township engineer, when we get the site plan, wants something else, I'll give it to him. We have a developer that is here to cooperate, a developer that is bringing quality, a developer that wants this to be class, a developer that said, I'll take care of whatever landscaping issues you want. I'll take care of whatever site plan issues you want. I'll take care of any engineering issues you want. I'm only asking you to analyze this project within the framework of the land use statute. And this applicant is saying that I believe I proved my case.